we should implement our new creative skills, new creative ideas for our life. N for new beginning, we should begin our year with new strategical way. E for educate, we should educate in all aspects. E for encourage, we should encourage all the positive thought to build up your life.
W for wise decision. We should take wise decision in your life. W for willingness. We should show willingness to do any brave things. Y for youth. We are youth to bring the change the society.
E for alignment, we should equal alignment to lead the pot. E for estimate, we should estimate the problems and guts to face in our life.
A for ability, we should develop ability skills to get what we want. A for appearance, we should appearance as a unique in the society.
R for respect. We must show respect towards education and teachers. R for aid. We must show aid towards to do help to others.